In today's free affiliate marketing ebook for beginners video, I'd like to share with you a ebook by Darren Olander, who is a 15-year veteran in the affiliate marketing industry, and he's a seven-figure earner. And this is a new ebook that he's giving away for free. There'll be a link in the description, and he's called it Instant Traffic Secret, a step-by-step guide to generating massive traffic. And I want to show you first of all some proof that what he gives you, the information he gives you in this book, the strategies, the systems actually work. I was very fortunate to come across Darren Olander and join his prosperity marketing system. And what you'll see here, the prosperity marketing system, if you're not one of my regular viewers, then it's a 17 income stream funnel. And I started using the strategies within the ebook, and you'll see here that the commissions come in on a monthly basis, 100% monthly recurring commissions. I got into profit. I joined it in February of this year, 2021. I got into profit of March 2021 the next month, and I've been in profit every month since with this system. And this is only one income stream that I'm showing you here of 17 within the funnel. So what Darren Olander teaches really works. And the book here, Instant Traffic Secret, I'll just go through a little bit here of what's inside the book. I'll just scroll down past all the legal stuff, and then you're going to get just a little introduction here. This is perfect if you're a beginner and you're sort of really new and you're looking to get traffic. Everyone needs traffic. Without traffic to your offer, you're not going to be successful or make any money online. So we're in the traffic industry, we're in the lead generation industry, and if you've got an offer that converts or promotes, then just learn how to drive more and more traffic to that offer, and then you'll be more and more successful as time goes by. And what he's done is he's put it down into a nice systemized table of contents. You've got the introduction. He's put the first one here is how to get started right. So you've got to have the right tools. He's put the right tools that you need here to keep you sane. He goes through tracking so you can see where your leads and your sales are coming from. He's put a little marketing basics here on how to get 3 more sign-ups, and then he's put the traffic strategies here into different categories here, and also expand, learn even more. So I'm not going to go into great detail today. So what's in the book really works. There'll be a link in the description where you can download it totally for free. There's nothing to buy. So click the link in the description. Not just read the free ebook, but also take action. Start to take action on a consistent basis, and then you can start to get some results